In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add smart money concepts in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, move your attention to the top of the interface. You'll see a row of options running along the top bar, and one of them will be labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. This is where TradingView keeps all of its tools for technical analysis, including built-in indicators, community scripts, and specialty toolsets like smart money concepts. When you click it, a new window or panel will appear, usually centered over your chart or aligned to the side, depending on your layout settings. At the top of this indicators window, you'll notice a search bar. This is what we're going to use to quickly locate the Smart Money Concepts tool instead of scrolling through long lists. Make sure your cursor is in that search field at the top. Now, type in Smart Money Concepts. As you type, TradingView will start filtering through its catalog and show you matching results below. You should see an entry related to Smart Money Concepts appear in the list. This is the official toolset that overlays concepts like structure, liquidity, and institutional activity directly onto your chart, which is why we want it. Once you see Smart Money Concepts in the results, simply click on it. As soon as you do, TradingView will close the indicators window and the Smart Money Concepts overlay will be added directly to your chart. You'll notice new visual elements appear, such as marked highs and lows, potential zones, or structure labels, depending on the default configuration. From here, you can hover over the name of the indicator at the top left of your chart and access its settings if you want to customize how it looks or which features are displayed. This is optional, but it's often useful to tweak the appearance so it fits your trading style and doesn't clutter your chart. And that's all you need to do. By clicking indicators, using the search bar at the top, and searching for Smart Money Concepts, you've successfully added this powerful tool into your TradingView